Hey guys, you're back with Juzzy, and today I've got a very quick video just detailing a accessory which I've purchased for the Honda Rebel 500. Now, I had a look through some of the Facebook groups and I was after a sort of saddle storage bag that I wanted to install just on the left side of my bike. So just sort of here above the chain in an area like this. And I found some pictures of guys who had purchased from a seller in Thailand. Now, I contacted the seller and he gave me the details to make a PayPal payment. I paid it and then I thought nothing of it. Then some time really went by and I had to follow up and figure out what went wrong with it. In any case, it did end up arriving, but it only was shipped when I actually sent a PayPal dispute in relation to it. And the seller came back to me stating that he was very apologetic and that because he's a one-man operation, he simply didn't have time to get to it in a timely manner. So think of that what you may, but in any case, the product is a quality product. It's custom made by him. This is the information for the seller. So it's actually called Leather Cow Bags Rain. It is a strange name in, I guess, Western society, but that's what he's called himself. So inside, it's a full leather piece and it's genuine leather. As you can see, it's really nice on the inside. This is a custom item. Just got enough room in there to put either some tools and accessories, or you could probably put a small meal in there. Maybe even a very small thin drink. On the rear here, it's got two parts that you can adjoin these three straps. So basically, there is a long strap to go around this bar here, and then there's two straps to go around this top part. I didn't really know that this was actually included in the sale, and I figured that when it got shipped that I would simply tie it on with zip ties, and the zip tie installation would make for a very quick and easy installation, and it certainly would be secure. But because these are included, I'm going to install them. So here is what the bike looks like, as you've seen in my latest videos, but I saw that the courier had arrived today whilst I was out, and I figured this is either going to be my bag or my WeBike order, and I was going to be happy to receive either one of them. So I'm going to start off by placing these straps through these parts here on the back. So now I've got these three holders through these straps, and personally I don't really want the buckles to be seen here. I really just want the buckles for the bag itself to be viewable only. So I'm going to do it up in such a way that the buckle was on the back side of the bar or underside of the bar, and yeah, on the inner side of this bar, so that it's out of sight. To me, that looks better. So I'll go ahead now and install it, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here we are with the bag fully. place.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you.
In terms of seating position, it doesn't get in your way because your leg, it's behind where your leg is. So it's really good. Can't go anywhere. It's strapped in 3 places. So in terms of side profile, it's well in even just to here on the engine cover. So probably gives you a little bit of additional side protection, strangely enough. So now I've just got to figure out what I want to put in there. But I think that in effect it becomes like a side cover for the bike, storage functionality as well, and just damn well the good looks of it. Just looks fantastic. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
No one will escape the sound.